Masood, who has been sentenced to 4 years in prison with regard to the medical admission scam. Well, that's the latest as it stands. We have been getting you more details on this. In fact, let's get in Bhavtosh, who has been getting us the very latest on the court proceedings. Bhavtosh, as far as this sentencing is concerned, clearly setting a precedent in more senses than one.
Yes, Nida, he does become the first politician to ever be disqualified after the Supreme Court order of 10th of July. What will happen from here is that this order, copy of this order will be given to the chairman of Rajya Sabha, who is also the vice president of the country. He, in consultation with the Election Commission, will decide the time and date when he will lose his Rajya Sabha seat. Now, this became very clear on 19th September itself when he was found guilty, and many say that it was because of Rashid Masood and Lalu Prasad Yadav that this ordinance was being brought in by the government. Here at the Hazari court, Rashid Masood is still inside the CBI court. His lawyers are still making the final plea before the court, asking that he should not be sent to Tihar jail. But because he has been sentenced to 4 years in imprisonment, which is more than 3 years, thus making mandatory on the part of the lower court to send him to judicial custody, it clearly means that by this evening he will be shifted to Tihar jail. His plea that he is unwell and that he should be sent to hospital is still being considered by the court. As far as other accused are concerned, their matter is also being heard, but the order has been pronounced by the court.
Okay, Bhavtosh, I'm going to come back to you, but reactions that we have been flooded with, let's just listen in first to the defense lawyer, and then I'm going back to our correspondents.
अभी वही उन्होंने 2:30 बजे बुलाया था, पहले आर्ग्यूमेंट हुए थे वो थोड़े से जो करा था, फिर उन्होंने 2:30 बजे बुलाया था. इन्होंने ये राशिद जी है और राशिद जी को 4 साल, मिस्टर राय को 4 साल और गुरदयाल सिंह को 4 साल, बाकी जो स्टूडेंट्स बेनिफिशियरीज थे उनके 1 साल फाइन एंड नॉट में भी बोला कुछ अभी कुछ भी नहीं. Because of the lot of tension and
एक्सप्रेशन कैसा था जब फैसला आया रशीद मसूद जी का, तो एक्सप्रेशन कैसा था?
Still inside, everything is inside.
हिरासत में तो ले लिया गया होगा मैम.
4 साल की हुई है तो आई डोंट नो. अभी
राशिद मसूद नर्वस थे जब ये फैसला सुनाया गया?
नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं. अब ये है कि जी हाँ, यही कहा गया था कि एजेड है और लॉन्ग ट्रायल है, जिस पे हम बेसिस कर रहे थे कि द ट्रायल हैज गॉन वेरी वेरी लॉन्ग, 17 years. It has been 17 years since the trial has gone.
Well, Rashid Masood becoming the first politician to be disqualified as an MP. We've also got Madhav now joining us from the Congress headquarters in the national capital. Madhav, so much criticism coming in as far as the Congress is concerned on that controversial ordinance, Rahul Gandhi's comments. How exactly is the Congress responding to what we've seen happening as far as Rashid Masood is concerned?
Well, clearly as far as Rashid Masood is concerned, the party, which has not officially reacted, but certainly of course also saying that this is the process of law that was expected to take place, and that is precisely what is happening. But we must remember that now of course Rashid Masood is the very first member of parliament who would be affected by the Supreme Court judgment which had made provisions for those convicted lawmakers to continue in office. Rashid Masood now officially becoming the first person who would be disqualified. His quantum of sentence is more than 2 years. It is 4 years in fact, and that really means that he would be losing his seat. I would also